So you want to start YouTubing or start a blog in 2020 and is wondering what topic to go for. Here are some ideas and topics that will help you make a profitable blog or a YouTube channel in 2020. Let's take a look. Oh, and by the way, I'm not going to talk about tech reviews and health. That's overrated and everybody knows. What's up everyone, I'm so happy to see you here. For those of you who are new, my name is Mani Karthik and I'm a blogger and entrepreneur from India. I used to work in the USA and Middle East for about 10 years, but I got bored and decided to return back to India to pursue my passion in blogging. On this channel, I share everything that I've learned in the last 10 plus years that will make you a smarter, richer, and a happier person. I hope you find the video useful and subscribe to my channel so I can share more awesome videos with you. But don't do it now, decide after watching the full video. So if you're someone starting a YouTube channel or blog, the question is going to worry and confuse you a lot. What topic to blog on? Every other topic you know is already taken by someone. So what is left for you? Trust me, I've been in this situation many times, especially during my early blogging days. Back in 2005, where I thought every other topic I knew or was interested in was already taken by someone. So I ended this whole thing before even starting it. So here's what I found out. Listen carefully. It doesn't matter what others have done or are doing already. At any point of time, there will be folks doing amazingly well in every niche, and they would be well ahead in their game. So if you compare yourself to them, it's not going to work out. What matters is where you start and how you start, and of course, how consistent you are with what you're doing. And then on, it's just a matter of time and how long you can survive until you hit a critical mass. So with that in mind, let's take a look at some of the most profitable blogging and YouTube niches in 2020. Number one is specific diet plan. You know there are different types of diets people follow for weight loss, for weight gain, and different other broad requirements. Of course, there are different diets that appeal broadly to everyone, but time has come to be specific about the requirement. I mean, there might be thousands of channels talking about the best weight loss diets available in the USA, but for someone sitting in rural parts of India, it doesn't make sense to follow that diet. So if you can get as niche as possible, as specific as possible, and offer specific diet plans that work for specific groups of people, you can expect a better acceptance and a loyal following. And that's what we want, right? Also, you have less competition to start with. Think about it. Number two is home-based hobbies like crafts, gardening, do-it-yourself, etc. Lots of talented people are sitting at their homes wanting to do something on their own, making good use of their time. And there are lots of creative things one can do with hobbies. If you're into painting, let's say, there might be one specific type of painting that you can teach. If you're into gardening, there might be one specific type of gardening, like say for example succulents, that you can pursue. The more specific you get, the better it appeals to interested people. Number three is gaming walkthroughs. Everybody loves gaming walkthroughs, right? But here's the thing. If you're thinking about walkthroughs for the most popular game out there, you will find some hard competition. And it'll be really difficult to make a difference until and unless you have an amazing personality. So to start with, it might make sense to pick a niche like an age group, a particular style that you can champion. Start there, make a difference, and then grow bigger. Next up is budget living. Personal finance is one of my personal favorites, but again, think of something unique within personal finance like frugal living or surviving on a budget. People's temperament with money isn't the same in the US and India. It isn't the same in Delhi and Kolkata either. So figure out a niche target audience whom you can address directly rather than being broad with the topic. Say for example, housewives trying to live month on month on a budget. Think about it. Number four is homeschooling. It's been gaining popularity in recent years where parents decide to teach their kids on their own at the comfort of their home. I think it's a great thing, but comes with it challenges. How to update yourself with subjects, getting help with books and such. I think something like homeschooling can garner a loyal following if you do it right. Think about it, do some research, and if possible, start something on homeschooling. Number six is career coaching. All of us like tips to improve your career, right? How to attend interviews, how to present yourself and stuff. Here's the thing. There are many career coaches and personality development coaches out there, but most of them are very generic. I think if there could be career coaching advice offered for specific streams, like for example, government PSE exams or IAS training and the like, it would be more appealing and targeted. Think about it. Number seven is eco-friendly life. Now, all of us know that being eco-friendly is not just a trend, but a necessity in today's life. Many of the things that we did in the past are no longer safe for the planet, and for this reason, many countries and societies are opting for eco-friendly ways to live. There are a lot of products and a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of scope in this niche. I think this might be the right time to start something on eco-friendly life. Number 8 is language skills. No, I'm not talking about teaching Spanish or Cantonese. There are more than enough channels and blogs for it, but Telugu and Kannada or Tulu and Malayalam? Not many. The big advantage for folks from India is that there are a wide variety of languages and dialects that exist that not even we Indians know about. There are a lot of foreigners who wants to learn these languages once they visit India. So start a channel or a blog to explore some of these and teach the variations of the languages. If you start now, you could be an expert in it in no time. That might be a little over enthusiastic, but you get the point. Number 9 is credit card reviews. I told you already that personal finance is a great vertical to be in. There's lots of money and a lot of interest for this topic. However, choosing something very specific within personal finance is an amazing way to narrow down. Credit card reviews alone is a great subtopic or niche where there's lots of money. There aren't many experts as we know it, which makes it a virgin territory. Do I need to say more? Number 10 is local nutrition. Health and fitness, of course, is an amazing topic, but like I said earlier, the trick is to narrow down and offer something very specific, something not generic, and something that a small group of people can relate to. Nutrition advice and recommendations are usually very generic and non-local. I mean, if my nutritionist asks me to have avocados every day for breakfast, where the heck do I get them in a rural place like India? So localization is key. Take the global concepts, but apply them locally and create a local audience. There's a lot of money in it. So there you have it, folks, some amazing topic ideas and niches that you can start building a YouTube channel or a blog in 2020. Just to summarize, keep in mind that it's not about going big or choosing the most popular topic on the internet, but about going hyper local and finding your small, active, but loyal audience. A niche topic can get you such an audience. Start small so that you can grow faster, and once you hit critical mass, you can do more cooler things. I hope this video was useful. Make sure you check out my videos on how to start blogging and YouTubing, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them in my next video. This is Karthik signing off.